Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of our UE Systems Coffee Talk. Today I've got Chase Sasser, who is one of our regional managers. Those of you in Alabama and Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, you guys are probably familiar with Mr. Chase. So we are here today to talk about our new Leak Survey SideKick app. We're really excited about it. It is out and ready for folks to start downloading today, but we thought we'd just talk through a little bit about what it is, what it does, how it's different from our original Leak Survey app, and hopefully get you guys excited about it. So Chase, thanks for being here and having some coffee with me today. So Chase, maybe we can start. Tell us just a little bit, for those who maybe aren't even familiar with doing a leak survey with ultrasound, maybe just talk through a little bit about what kind of the purpose of doing one is and how you can actually use an app to help you in that process.
Yeah, so doing a leak survey, first and foremost, you've got to be prepared going out there, right? So if you're doing a leak survey, you typically want, either, a handheld unit, either 9,000, 3,000, 9,000, 10,000, or 15,000. And more importantly, people forget the importance of a holster. You really need that, especially if you've got ladders in your facility. You need your hands to climb the ladder, right? So, and also you need your leak survey tags. Don't forget those, and something to write with, and then also a leak app for your phone. So that's a couple of things that you'll need. And while you're out there, also just being aware of your surroundings. Don't get lost in the headset is typically what I say during our training. So. So there's a couple of the things that you're going to, need before you get out there on site, and of course your PPE for wherever you're at. So that's a couple of things that you'll need.
And the whole point is we're going out there to try and find energy that we are losing that we don't need to be losing, right? So with ultrasound, we're listening for all kinds of leaks, right, Chase? So compressed air, gases, things like that.
Yep. Argon, hydrogen, nitrogen, natural gas. Typically we have a rule of thumb is, most anything over 5 psi, ultrasound is going to be your go-to technology for finding these leaks, so you can capture them and track them.
Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's then talk about the tracking. So we actually, I think it's been about 6 years ago, we put out our first leak app, and it was a great way to make it a lot easier for folks to put reports together and things like that from their phone as they're going out and do these leak surveys. But now we've kind of kicked it up a notch and added some new bells and whistles to it, and now it's our Leak Survey SideKick. So Chase, maybe tell us a little bit about what is new in this version of our leak app.
Yeah, so a lot of great new things that our team that worked on the app, shout out to them. They did an awesome job. One of the main things I do like about the app is, the reporting system is just awesome. The way we have it set up so that you can have dashboards to filter different pie charts and graphs, that sort of thing. It's definitely a lot more visually pleasing.
Yeah.
The
always
details.
Nice when you can visualize the savings and see everything in a much more kind of in your face way, right? You don't have to dig into a spreadsheet and try and find the numbers.
Yeah, and it's the way it organizes everything, like under the severity, which that's something that's new for us in the pie charts, and also in the last app, we were able to take pictures of the images or take a picture of the leak, but it's you tie hang tag around your the suspect area, then you might jot some notes down, but still, even when the person out there they might have a hard time trying to find where that leak is. So you're able to actually draw a circle on the actual joint or T-joint or fitting, that sort of thing, so that they can have a little bit better understanding of where that leak is. That's pretty big, and it helps save a lot of time on both sides.
I like that. So it sounds like with the severity piece, where we're able to actually predetermine for ourselves which areas are more critical, we can schedule where we want to make the fixes sooner than later. And with that, the visualization with the picture, now whoever's going out to actually make that repair knows exactly where that leak is coming from. That's really awesome.
Yeah, absolutely. So, so the reporting, that's one big thing that I really like about it. The next big thing is the ability to have as many leak reports at your fingertips as you've ever created. So if you remember our older the old Leak app, it was allowing you to only do one leak survey at a time, and then email that out, and then you have to delete everything to create another leak survey. Well, the new Leak Survey app, SideKick, is allowing us to create as many leak surveys as we want, and also within that, we can filter in, I want all of 2021 leak surveys and, have them in one report. I want all of 2022 right here, or even say all of the 2000s, the last, say, decade, or that sort of thing. So
Cool.
that's huge.
I like that. So, but all that data is not being held on the individual's phone, right? We're sending all that data is being stored in the cloud. So don't worry, you still have plenty of room for all your photos and games and Wordles and all that good stuff.
Yeah, no, that's good too. So you're not slowing your device down.
Yeah.
So,
well, I really like that. I love that we now have that ability to roll up our savings from a certain time period. As we know, it's one thing to, as we said, it's one thing to go out and find these leaks, but it's another thing to be able to calculate the actual savings, and to also then tell people, especially up the ladder, about the success you're having and the cost savings and the energy savings that you're having because of taking the time to go do these leak surveys. And what's also nice about that is hopefully that quick ROI on the investment in your time and the investment in the technology is going to help you reinvest that money in an additional predictive technology and things like that. So it's all kind of part of the process, and hopefully everybody can get some real good value out of doing leak surveys and using this new Leak Survey SideKick. So with that, Chase, where can folks grab this app from?
Excellent question. So go into Google Play or your app store for iOS devices, type in Leak Survey SideKick, and it's going to be right there at the top of the screen for you. So
awesome. Super easy and free, unlike your compressed air. So go get that today. We'll have some resources on our website, uesystems.com. It's if you need some assistance and things like that. And of course, we're always available to help anybody that needs some assistance. And with that, we will let you all go and enjoy the rest of your coffee. Thanks for being here, Chase, and we'll catch you guys later.
See y'all.